Hello, everybody. Welcome to the second episode of the series Everything You Need to Know About Electronic Signatures. I'm Malisha. Let's get started. Now, in the previous episode, we did cover about how to send a signature request using an electronic signature application. Now, if you haven't watched that video yet, the link is right here. You can go ahead and watch it. In this episode today, we will be looking into how to sign a document using an electronic signature application when you receive from one. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right. What you're looking at right now is a document request which I have just received from an electronic signature application which has landed in my email inbox. Now, this specific request contains a document which I am supposed to sign. As you can see, the sender of this document has used Evia Sign, which is an electronic signature application leading in the market today. And you can also see some other intricate details such as the name of the sender as well as the message they're trying to convey me. Now, if I want to sign this document right away, all I have to do is go ahead and click on this view document button to get the whole signing process started. Now, let me go ahead, click on the button and show you how signing in an electronic signature application is done right. Once you have clicked on the View Document button, you will be able to access the document which you are supposed to sign. At first, you will be exposed to a message box which will provide you the message your sender is trying to communicate to you. You can easily go ahead and close the message box and view your entire document. Now, interestingly, you will also be able to see something called a Start button. Now, what happens when you click on this Start button is that it will show you exactly where you have to sign in the document, which will come in super handy, especially when you have 4 or 5 different places in the document to sign. This navigator will show you exactly where your signature must be placed in the document, saving you from, let's say, a little bit of a confusion. Now, the navigator in my document is telling me that I'm supposed to sign right here where I can spot a signature stamp. Now, when I click on this signature stamp, you can see I have 4 different ways to sign my document. And yes, Evia Sign provides you with 4 options which you can choose from to sign your document. The very first option is typing your name, where you can go ahead and type your name just like this. And as you can see, Evia Sign will provide you 4 different predefined signature styles from which you can choose one and go ahead and use that to sign your document by clicking on the Save and Use button. Now, the second option you can use is that signing from your mobile phone. As you can see, the From Mobile option will provide you a QR code which you're supposed to scan using your mobile phone, and this will open the portal for you to sign this specific document using your mobile. And I will show you a quick demonstration of how it's done. First, you have to grab your phone and then you can go ahead and scan the QR code. Once you have scanned the QR code, you can go ahead and click on the mobile signing link, which will lead you to a white screen, just like this. This is the white screen which I was just talking about, which will appear in your mobile screen once you have scanned the QR code and clicked on the mobile signing link. Now you can use this white space to easily place your signature just like that and go ahead and click Save and Use. Now what happens when you click on the Save and Use button is that your signature which you just placed in your mobile screen will be automatically populated to the relevant place where you were signing your document just like this. As you can see, the signature which I just placed in my mobile screen is automatically populated here just like I said. Now I can use this signature of mine in my document by clicking the Save and Use button. In the third option, you can go ahead and draw your signature within this white space using your touchpad or your mouse, just like this. And now you can go ahead and click Save and use this signature in your document. In the final option, you can go ahead and upload a signature file of yours, which means if you have your signature available in JPG, PNG, or a BMP format, you can easily go ahead and upload that signature file of yours and use that to sign this document as well. Now that you know all the 4 options that's available in Evia Sign to sign a document, let's go ahead and complete this document of ours. For that, I'm going to choose one of the predefined signature styles which is available in Evia Sign, and I'm going to choose one of these styles and click Save and Use. And as you can see, once I have clicked Save and Use, the signature is already in the right place. Now all I have to do is either click on the complete button that's right here or click on the finish button to complete this document. You can choose any of the two buttons, both serve the same purpose. So let's go ahead and complete this document right away. And just like that, we have signed and completed a document using an electronic signature application. Super easy, isn't it? And super convenient as well. But this doesn't just stop here. Once you have signed a document using an electronic signature application like Evia Sign, your documents are also digitally sealed. Now, to know what digitally sealed really means, stay tuned for the episode 3 where we will be discussing about that. And until then, it's bye from me.